A sergeant in the army confronts 3 police officers.
So turn around for me.
No, no.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Step this way.
No.
Okay, you're gonna get.
These individuals who daily protect the citizens and peace of the nation now find themselves facing each other. The tension escalated to an uncontrollable level, resulting in 7 gunshots and 1 life lost. Join American Copwatch as we delve into this tragic incident. Policesuit veteran dead over a purple-haired woman. Around 9:30 p.m. on June 6, 2024, officers from the Casper Police Department responded to a call from a woman reporting domestic violence. The suspect was Trae Spurlock, 26 years old. The officers attempted to contact Trae Spurlock, but were unsuccessful. At this point, the victim wanted to return to her residence to retrieve her personal belongings. To ensure her safety, the officers accompanied her to the residence.
Trae.
Upon entering, they found Spurlock sitting on the balcony with a rifle beside him.
He's out here.
He's out there.
He's out here. He's got a rifle sitting next to him.
At that moment, Spurlock stepped through the sliding glass door leading to the balcony. He stopped at the doorway and began confronting the officers on the scene.
What's going on? Yeah, she was safe.
I'm also part of the lease over.
I know.
Trespassing.
But we have to
shoot you.
No, you couldn't.
I don't care. Death by cop doesn't sound too bad. But what do you want?
What happened?
I told her to get the fuck.
Okay.
And so I pushed her the fuck. She wouldn't fucking leave.
Okay. Can you step in here?
No.
Next, the officers asked what had happened between him and his girlfriend.
I'm listening. Calm down.
That she's gonna come in here and get her stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So we had to come in here to make sure she was safe because she's alleging that you were pushing her and could be
So I
talking
pushed
with
her
her.
out the.
You pushed her out the door?
Yeah, 100% did.
Okay, why?
I'm tired of her shit. I'm tired of the bullshit. I'm tired of everything. Told her to get the out. She was leaving anyways. She fucking screamed at me, so I put her out that. It's not even like she pays for this fucking place. She might be on the fucking lease, but I pay for everything.
Okay, well that doesn't mean anything.
I
to
know
you,
it
but she
doesn't
lives
legally.
here.
I don't really give a
Okay, so you pushed her like
Yeah,
both hands pushed her?
Yeah.
Did you knock her over when you pushed her?
No, she stumbled. I picked her back up, and I put her out the door.
She stumbled and fell on the ground.
She didn't fall on the ground. I grabbed her before she fell.
Okay. She stumbled after you pushed her though.
She stumbled because she hadn't lost her footing, yes.
Okay.
It seemed that upon hearing this, one of the officers began instructing Spurlock to step into the apartment and away from the rifle.
You said that's an airsoft gun? Huh? Did you say that's an airsoft gun, or is that a real gun? Does that have a gun? That rifle? He has a gun with him? A rifle. It's on the porch. He has that with him. Yeah, it's real. It's real. Just making sure.
Okay.
I'm not going to jail tonight. I hope you know that. Like,
What does that mean?
I'm just letting you know I'm not going to jail tonight. That's why that fucking rifle's there. I'm not going to fucking jail tonight. Either death by cop or not. I've been in plenty of firefights in my fucking life. I'm afraid of another one. Point being is I'm not fucking going to jail tonight. Refuse to. Take that as you will.
Eventually, Spurlock agreed to step into the apartment if the officers backed off, stating that he would meet them halfway by closing the sliding glass door halfway.
Can you step inside?
I'm right here.
Yeah, but can you step inside,
No, I'm stepping
away
right
from
here.
the gun so that we can finish the conversation?
We are finishing the conversation. We are talking right now, and the gun's 3 foot behind me. He can grab his pistol, and she can grab her pistol faster than I can grab that fucking. So, you're not in any danger right now. If I walk backwards and grab that mother. See? Look at that. Look at that. You're fine. You have your hand on your pistol, you'll be fine. Calm down.
Okay. Okay, but why won't you step inside for me?
Because I'm not going to get close to you guys. Because I can't win a 3-on-1 scenario. That ain't happening.
I'm in the department.
Who's talking about winning a 3-on-1?
Well, there's
scenario?
3 of you all right there. If you want to back up, I'll step inside the door. But I'm not stepping inside this door with you 2 foot from me.
Okay, you want to step inside
You want to step to the
and
bookcase.
close the screen door for me?
There's.
The sliding glass door.
I'm not closing the sliding glass. If you want to step to the bookshelf, I will step inside, and we are both in agreement.
What bookshelf?
The one bookshelf that's in behind you. There's 4 of them. You
Okay.
want to step back there? I will step
Step
Look
inside.
at that. Look at that.
However, when the officer explained that his admission of pushing his girlfriend constituted domestic violence and that he would have to go to jail, Spurlock began talking about the process of being handcuffed and going to jail, again stating that he would not do it.
You did just admit,
That I pushed
To
you out
it.
the door. Yes.
which is a domestic assault.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So we have to deal with that further.
Okay.
Okay? And I'd like to do it after you close the door.
Because you're going to try to put me in handcuffs. Correct? Domestic assault?
Because
Correct.
I don't want
No, am I correct?
this to escalate further.
Right. So, technically, next steps, domestic assault, if I'm wrong, you put me in handcuffs, you take me to the down jail unit process. We need to do my fingerprints, you do everything else. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yeah, you're correct.
Yes. Okay, cool.
Okay? So turn around for me.
No, I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
The officers reiterated their desire to resolve the situation peacefully and asked Spurlock to turn around and put his hands behind his back. But Spurlock refused. He declined to step further into the apartment, instead reaching behind his back to grab the handle of the half-closed sliding glass door. Seeing this, one of the officers on the scene warned him, "You will be tased," as he lunged out of the balcony door.
Step this way.
No.
Okay, you're gonna get 365 shots fired.
When he turned back, Spurlock was tased and fell, followed by 7 consecutive gunshots. The balcony was dark, and sparks from the muzzle flashes could be seen. Shortly after, an officer was seen trying to administer first aid to Spurlock.
Emergent. Okay, hitting the leg, let's get it.
They're at 5041, pay it forward apartment. What else do you
Hey! Go back inside!
Go ahead and notify staff duty of an OIS, please.
Copy. Units on pay it forward, last year's status.
Go forward, we need medical emergent.
They're coming as fast as they can.
90, give them radio traffic, please, and myself and Romero are en route.
Okay, where else he hit?
They do have emergency
There's some
traffic
pressure
on
on that. Okay, stay with me, dude.
Who lay curled up in a fetal position, groaning. His friend, Ryan Sweeney, described him after the incident as a wonderful person. Sweeney said, "He did so many things through his actions to prove that, and he always served others." The police have yet to identify the officer who fired the fatal shots, but they have stated that the officer has been placed on administrative leave while the Wyoming Division of Criminal Investigation and the Natrona County District Attorney's Office investigate the shooting.
You did just admit,
That I pushed you
To
out
it.
the door. Yes.
which is a domestic assault.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So we have to deal with that further.
Okay.
Okay? And I'd like to do it after you close the door.
Because you're going to try to put me in handcuffs. Correct? Domestic assault?
Because
Correct.
I don't want
No, am I correct?
this to escalate further.
Right. So, technically, next steps, domestic assault, if I'm wrong, you put me in handcuffs, you take me to the down jail unit process. We need to do my fingerprints, you do everything else. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yeah, you're correct.
Yes. Okay, cool.
Okay? So turn around for me.
No, I'm not.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
This incident serves as a stark reminder of the challenges and dangers in law enforcement work, especially in domestic violence situations. It underscores the importance of de-escalation training, awareness of weapon risks, psychological support, victim safety, and vigilance in emergency situations. By learning from such incidents, we can work towards a safer community and more effective handling of crisis situations. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest analysis videos from American Copwatch.